Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Fortnite is one of the most popular games in the world, and it has a huge community of players who love to chat with each other while playing. However, some players may not know how to turn on voice chat in Fortnite, or they may have trouble with the settings. In this video, I will show you how to turn on voice chat in Fortnite. Let's go. Fortnite is a game that requires a connection, and a voice chat is a much better option for communicating with your teammates, as it can be hard to type messages while playing. You need to enable voice chat in the game settings by launching Fortnite. Go to the main menu in the upper right corner, and locate the gear icon to open the settings. In the menu, find and select the Audio tab. Scroll down to find the voice chat section within the audio settings. Ensure that the voice chat option is set to everybody. This enables the voice chat functionality. Additionally, you can adjust settings such as voice chat volume, microphone volume, and push to talk according to your preferences. Once you've configured your voice chat settings, click on Apply to save your changes. Exit the settings menu and you're ready to engage in voice chat with your fellow Fortnite players. Keep in mind that depending on the device you're using, the instructions for enabling Fortnite voice chat may vary slightly. Be sure to adapt the steps accordingly. If you're playing on other platforms such as PS4, Xbox, or Nintendo Switch, visit the link tagged above to access the steps on how to enable voice chat on Fortnite. And if you're having a problem setting up your voice chat, click the tag above for possible solutions on fixing your Fortnite voice chat on PC. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.